Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our THDC employee account. Let's get started. So to log into your THDC employee account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for THDC employee login. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this option which says user account. After tapping on user account, you'll come up to this page which is THDC Indian Limited. THDC India Limited. So from here, to log into your employee account, what you can do is just tap on employee login, which is on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on employee login, now what you can do is just enter the following details. So in the first blank, you have to enter your account's username. In the second blank, now you have to enter your account's password. After entering your account's password, now what you can do is just enter the caption which you can find over here. After entering that caption, now you can just tap on login and you'll successfully log into your account. But if that caption does not work, what you can do is just tap on this caption. So after entering the following details, just tap on login and you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on forgot password, and by doing so you can easily reset or recover your account's password. So just do that if you have forgotten your password, or you can just also create a new account. So if you are not able to create a new password in this account, what you can do is just create a new account. After creating a new account, you can use that. But if you do remember your account's password, then what you can do is just come back to this login page and then enter the password that you know. After entering that, you can just tap on login and you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your THDC employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.